By car or by plane, millions of people are ready for the holiday getaway. And you can see it's already starting to get pretty busy at LAX this morning. CBS 2's Lesley Marin is live at LAX with some good advice. Hey, Lesley.
Good morning, you guys. Well, people come to the airport so early that we've even caught some people actually sleeping here. But take a look at this line. This line just starting to form here. Some lines are getting a bit longer. You can see that line definitely longer as people head to the ticketing counter. But if this is giving you anxiety, we have some tips from the experts on how to really navigate around LAX during the holiday season. I have Jocelyn Steele here. Hi. Jocelyn, you have so much information, and this is really things people can use.
Yes, one of the biggest tips that we tell our passengers who come here to arrive early. Don't underestimate the amount of planning that you need to do. If you're flying internationally, arrive 3 hours prior to boarding, domestically or domestic flight, 2 hours prior to boarding. And this year we like to tell people that instead of using the 96th Street Bridge to enter the Central Terminal area or to enter LAX, use Century Boulevard. That is a great way to keep the traffic flowing and keep it moving so you can arrive here on time. And also we're encouraging our travelers and passengers to use the lower level or the arrivals level instead of all coming up to the departures level. And once you get to the arrivals level or lower level, you can just use an escalator or elevator to come up to your ticketing gate.
That's going to make life so much easier. We're talking about 5.8 million people coming through LAX this holiday season, record-setting year.
Yes, and we want to let everyone know that that number is for a 25-day travel period that started last Friday and ends on January the 7th. The busiest during those 25 days are tomorrow and Sunday, and the busiest of all is the day after Christmas with 255,000 passengers expected.
You have to be ready for it. Thank you so much, Jocelyn. You're traveling yourself, so good luck in all of this. Well, of course, if you are headed on the roadways today, the traffic congestion is expected to begin. AAA says you should expect your travel times to be 4 times as longer as maybe they normally would be. Reporting live at LAX, Lesley Marin.